you want.
You'll be grateful.
Oh, it's so painful sounding.
It is quite wrenching, actually.
Yeah. I don't hiccup like that.
You just do little daisy ones.
I've never known anyone to go.
When I was pregnant with Nina, she always used to get hiccups in my tum. And when she was born, she used to still get hiccups loads. It was really funny.
Oh.
Hiccupy baby.
Ever felt on the spot?
You couldn't do it if you tried. What do you mean, don't?
Oh, it's very tiring.
Yes.
The table tennis, it's the hiccups.
Yes, table tennis wasn't tiring. Oh, we never got to finish that really last exciting game.
No, but I haven't forgotten it was 10-6 and I was winning.
Yes. Tomorrow's another day. I think he wanted a cognac, actually. Did you think he was?
I did. He was going for that.
Steve would have offered him one, actually, but I wasn't even sure where it was and everything. I wanted to get on.
I think you ought to have a cognac when you get in. Drinking it backwards from the glass to sort yourself out.
Well, I would if I didn't think I would go and munch on something.
You're not putting this on.
I couldn't if I tried. Your cackle.
Oh dear. They're getting more weary sounding now. Do you think men would do this, would they? They wouldn't video each other hiccuping and giggling in the
I
background.
don't think they would.
No, they probably wouldn't get it.